What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Shelly from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna start with drawing her hair, so I'm gonna take a point right here and draw a curved line out. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn up and to the back of the head and go down on the left side right there. And then going back to this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left right there, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn downwards and to the side, and from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up to the side of the head. And from this point I'm gonna draw a circle shape for her ears, and inside of that section I'm gonna draw a bracket, curved line, and another one right there. And then above the ear I'm gonna draw a semicircle line to the top and extend it all the way to the corner of her hairline right there, and another curved line from the ear to that corner on the side. Now for the right side of her face, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the side and turn it downwards and slightly out at the cheek, and then I'm gonna turn back in at the chin, and I'm gonna make a turn to her sideburn on the left. Now on the right side of her face, I'm gonna above on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side, and then I'm gonna make a similar shape of the sideburn on the right side here, like that. Now for her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here and extend it to the center of the face, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the left and down to that corner there, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And at this corner I'm gonna add an oval shape and fill that in with black color. And at the lower point for the eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And for her pupils, I'm gonna add an oval shape in the middle and fill that in with black color. And on top of the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and we're gonna draw the whole eye on the right side as well. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point right here, and another curved line below that, like that. And for her mouth, I'm gonna draw below the nose a curved line across, and we're gonna thicken the middle section of the line there. And on the right side of her cheek, I'm gonna add rectangular shape at the corner, and at the corner of the eye I'm gonna add two short lines right there. And below her face I'm gonna draw across a curved line like that, And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn on the side, and I'm gonna make a line out and back down, and then I'm gonna take that and turn it upwards to the left side of the shoulder right there, and then I'm gonna make a curved line on the side and another one above that. And then for her shoulders, I'm going to draw a line out with a curved line. And at that point, I'm going to draw across a curved line. And another one below that. And at this corner, I'm going to add a line and a semicircle corner on the left side right there. And around the sleeve, I'm going to add a curved line across, and from this point I'm going to draw her arm all the way to her shoulder and make a turn down right there. And for the inner line of the arm, I'm going to draw a line out and turn it down as well, and then I'm going to make a turn out with a curved line and turn it slightly down and make a semicircle turn back up to the side. And at this corner right here, I'm going to add two short lines. And at this point right here, I'm going to draw a semicircle turn to the side and turn it up. And copy that for the other fingers. And right here, I'm going to extend that line all the way to the wrist. And for this corner of the sleeve, I'm gonna add a semicircle line and a line across for the inner of the sleeve. Now on the side, I'm gonna draw a line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the left and extend it all the way down, and then I'm gonna make a turn out below the knee and down. And then for the inner line of the leg, I'm gonna draw a line here, down, and extend it all the way to the boots. Now at this point, I'm going to draw across a curved line for the top of the boots and a line on both sides of that curve and another curved line below that. And then below that shape, I'm going to draw another two lines on the sides, and we're going to make a turn out on the right side and extend it on the left side to the base of the shoe, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line from the left to the right, and on both sides of that curved line I'm gonna draw a line down and another curved line across below that. Now on the right side of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a line down right there and all the way to the boots. And for the inner line of the leg here, I'm gonna draw a similar shape as the left side, and we're gonna draw the same shape for the boots as well. And then somewhere along the waist, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and at the side of her pants on the left, I'm gonna draw a line down all the way to her boots and a line on the outer part right there as well. Now on the right side, I'm gonna draw her arms a similar shape with the left arm right there, and going down to the side as well. Now going back to her hair, above, I'm gonna draw an oval shape from the corner of her ear here and diagonally downwards to the left. And then another one at this corner. And another one, small one, at this corner right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.